Hello, everyone. I'm pleased to make this contribution to the Digital Freedom Exposition being held at the University of Western Cape in Cape Town, South Africa. Keeping important things free and open has been vital to the development of the Internet and is likely to be a valuable contributor to the development in Africa because when core things are free and open, there are no barriers to innovation. When Bob Kahn and I created TCP/IP, and a bunch of us built a platform for internetworking, we did not patent the technologies used. We set TCP/IP free. If we had not done so, it is doubtful that the Internet as we know it today would have come into being. The Internet of today is to a large extent a result of the freedom to innovate that its design made possible. The principal purpose of the Internet Society, which I helped to found in 1992, is to promote the idea that the Internet is for everyone. The Internet Society strives to continue the development and to extend the availability of the Internet and its associated technologies and applications. These are ends in themselves and are a means of enabling organizations, professions, and individuals worldwide to more effectively collaborate, cooperate, and innovate in their respective fields and interests. Creativity and innovation are the successes of the Internet. People should be able to innovate without asking permission of software vendors or ISPs or anyone else. Freedom to innovate in a digital world has the potential to allow young people in Africa to experiment and build new technologies, to create business opportunities, and to grow their economies. It is therefore fitting that this first Digital Freedom Exposition in Africa is taking place in a university with a history of dedicated work on other kinds of freedom, and that is collaborating strongly with other African universities to build capacity in free software engineering on the continent. South Africa is leading the way with the new government strategy that promotes free and open source software and open content. I hope that the Digital Freedom Exposition is the start of something that keeps the focus on digital freedom, the opportunities it offers, and the threats it faces. Africa needs innovation without boundaries. Despite its operational existence since 1983, the Internet's application space has barely been explored. There seems to be an endless array of potential ideas left to be considered, limited only by the imagination and our ability to produce the necessary software to make these ideas real. With digital freedom, there's no reason that the next big idea on the Internet cannot come out of Africa. Indeed, it is time for it. And now I'm going to hand you over to Bob Jolliffe, Founding Director of Freedom to Innovate South Africa, to talk to you about the threat of software patents. Meanwhile, I hope to see you on the net. I am Vint Cerf, an Internet pioneer and chief Internet evangelist for Google, and this resource is licensed under a Creative Commons Attribution Share-alike license. Enjoy it in freedom.